Hi guys, I'm back here at Hydromar Shipyard in Gran Canaria. Behind me you can see Don still floating, 1.5 meter draft, exactly where we left him, which is an excellent sight. So after a long Christmas break, we're pretty much ready to do the installation. So at the end of last year, unfortunately, we stepped into a period of one, quite challenging weather, and two, there was a lack of capacity with the towing company to actually fit us in with all the other jobs that they had. There have been some slight schedule changes, which meant that we couldn't really fit in that easily. So this year, starting strong, we are at a point now where we are going to hook up the tow lines to where you can see the mooring/berthing lines at the moment. And the idea then is to get all the approvals from the harbour master. They'll only do the inspection once everything's connected. So connect everything up, get the harbour master out, get him to sign off on the tow, send him all the documentation so that he's comfortable with all the equipment that we're going to be using for the tow lines and shackles, make sure they've got the shackles have the correct MBL. And then from there, once the inspection has happened, the idea is to then install the mooring lines. We've got a reasonably good weather window next week, so fingers crossed this can happen fairly soon. We'll install the mooring lines. That should take a couple of days. And then we're ready to have it towed down to PLOCAN and finally install it to the mooring lines. So it's been quite a long journey to get here. But yeah, it's we're starting 2025 quite strong.